In this lesson, I will show you how to connect to the local Postgres instance and create a database for our app. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to add a connection to Postgres, and I'm going to call this Postgres, and the host is going to be localhost and the port 5432, and I'm just going to use the default user and the default password, which is also Postgres, and then I'm going to test this connection, and it says the connection is okay, so I'm going to go and connect to it. So it should open up this view here, and I'm going to go to SQL, and I'm going to create a database. I'm going to call this markdown underscore app, and I will run this command, and that should have created the database. So once I've created it, I can exit out of here and create a new connection to a Postgres database, and I'm just going to call this markdown app and localhost port 5432. The user is Postgres, and I'll use the default password again, Postgres, and the database will be markdown app. And let me test that connection, and the connection is okay, so I'll hit connect, and now I should have a connection to the markdown app database using the Table Plus client.